Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Do you have a moment to speak about your car's extended warranty? I just want to talk to you about your car's extended warranty. It may have already expired. How do you feel about that? Obviously, you don't care. You're just looking for an owl that's not out there. Sad. Tragic. Bill, can I talk to you about your car's extended warranty?